Okay, channel to my welcome. Today we are going to a place that we visited last year 2 times. The name of the place is Kasmal Waterfall. It's going to be an amazing ride, so stay tuned as we explore Kasmal once again. Our meetup point is Mankur, the bridge after Mankur, because we'll be going for Vashi sides. Kasmal is like 84 kilometers away, at least from Mahim, and it will take us around about 2.5 hours to 3 hours to reach over there. For a brief period of time, we will be on NH 66, which is the old Goa highway. So yeah, okay, so we are reaching our meetup point. There's a lot of people meet up over here. Okay, your friend is also come. Sartak. Yeah, we are waiting for you only. Chalo, we reached 15 minutes back. Okay, we have just left for Kasmal. Look at the left signal, it has got everything on. RGB. Okay, we are on Palm Beach Road. It's 6:14 a.m. He said go? Let's go? Should we leave? Thank you. Okay, just wait, signal. Wait. I think they just wanted to give the safety drive and ride safe and all. Chalo. So yeah, we were stopped by some cops. They were just checking whether any modification were done for the bike. He wanted to check, so he told me to give a race. So we have connected on WhatsApp call so that we can include Natasha. Her intercom is currently gone for repairs. Now we are taking the Wahal route. I thought this is Wahal. This is JNPT. Okay. Wow. Hey, take care, Noel, Kevin. We are on JNPT road. Beautiful hill on the right. Go inside. Car will knock one off. They were checking something, but little bit inside they should have gone and checked. Or before that they should have come and checked. Okay, so we have reached Palace Spa, 25 minutes away from breakfast point. It's almost 7 o'clock. Hey, look at this beautiful view of the mountain on the left. I hope the video is getting captured. 16 kilometers away, 20 minutes away from our breakfast point. We have a new guy who is from Noel's office. He has joined us for this ride with his Honda. His name is Sartak. He's on your left right now. Amazing, yeah, like beautiful. Just see on the top, yeah, that fog or smog or fog, I think, yeah, looks beautiful. Look at the peak. It's covered with fog. Now we have entered Karnala Bird Sanctuary Road. Last time there was a monkey. We are crossing Jite, and in another 4 minutes we should be at the breakfast point. And it's 2.9 kilometers away. Oh, and there is a speed breaker, huh? Just take care, I think. Oh, on the right it shows Khar Boli. Khar kya boli? Okay, so we have reached Sai Sahar for breakfast. Go inside now. Take a space now. Go inside now. Your gloves fell down. Sartak, your glove. Okay, so time to have breakfast. We're done with our breakfast, and now it's time to ride. Let's go. Okay, 20 kilometers to go, 47 minutes. skip the next bridge, huh? We have to go down the bridge. No, from front we have to take a left. Oh, look at the river. Chotu sa. Go from there only. This is that. Yeah, this is the. Oh, chicken run. Go. This is that Shivaji. They've kept it maintained, huh? Amazing. Ooh, look at the road. Nice off-roading. It looks beautiful as ever. Oh, nice. This is so good. Yeah, looks beautiful. Woo! Waterfalls. Speed breaker. Nice. Yep, it's a steep one. Oh, look at this beautiful place. All green, all foggy. Beautiful. So we are officially in Kasmal. Roads are a little bit bad, but yeah, let's go from picture. So we are approaching main two curves, two hairpins, which are very beautiful. So yeah, let's go. And this is Kasmal Pen, and we are approaching the two hairpins right now. That's one, and this is another one, and there comes, yes, this is that, the beautiful right turn coming up right now. And it looks like some landslide over here. Yep, and from here you can just take a picture, beautiful pictures. And it's so beautiful. Another turn. I think this one is the one. Yep, this is the one. Yeah, so beautiful. The other time I had come, that time it was all fog. Couldn't see this views also. Now you can at least see the views. Now I think we are heading into one village. There's a doggy also, huh? Oh wow, we are now entering a foggy area. And I think half the time this village is in fog only. During rains. Look at this. It's at the very height, no? Oh, ghost is coming. That rock came straight in this. Okay, the dog is chasing him. Yep, 10 minutes to reach the waterfall, 3.5 kilometers. That also, we are not actually going towards the waterfall. We will be parking it behind, no? Oh, there is a river. Started raining. This is that village. We are again in the mist. Oh wow. This is so good. And it's cool, huh? Okay, 1.6 kilometers, 5 minutes to go. And we are hunting for the waterfall. Beautiful weather, misty weather, and we also have nice greenery all around. Are you taking this one? Kevin. Okay, so we are following Google Maps to Kasmal Waterfall, and hopefully it's recording. We don't know where the hell are we. Yep, we are correct. We have to take a left, and then we have to go. So by the way, the road was there from that side also, but I think that road was more like an off-roading type of a road. No, this Kawala also road was there, no? There on the right side it was. This is proper one. Okay, we have to take this left turn. What the heck? Did I miss it? Did I miss it? From front there is a U-turn showing. No, 1 minute, wait, huh? We have to take a U-turn, I think.
Do you have a map?
Okay. Move now. Huh? Yeah, then my map I think changed. Huh. Come. It's showing some right turn from here. This one I think. Okay, we missed. Actually that board also has got wiped off badly, no? There is a right somewhere in the front. Right. Yeah, this one. This one. You remember the road was made till there. This is the concrete road that you will get to see. That's when you understand that you are on the right track to Kasmal Waterfall. It gets a little confusing in between. So probably while back tracing that time I will try and document it well. But yeah, this concrete road is the one. At the end of the concrete road you need to park the bike and go to the waterfall walking. So yeah, it's all misty, everywhere mist is there, and also it's drizzling, but a beautiful weather. See, we would be coming from this road. This was a very bad road. Yeah, and yeah, so we generally used to park over here. There. Come. So you can see in 1 minute you can walk to the waterfall. We are not taking the bike down. We will rather walk it.